Right. Talking about outcome, it's going to be a long list, to be very frank. But nevertheless, I'm going to share in a short some of the most glancing outcome that you'll be looking at it after the program completion. First one, you're going to talk about complex problem solving skill set. How do you understand Y equals to function of X? How do I focus on the causes, not the symptom? Things like that, you're going to be very deep dive and learning about complex problem solving. Second, you're going to enhance on the leadership excellence, how you become better leader, not only in your work environment, as personal leader in the house, in the outside the market, in the public, how you can become a better leadership, right? The third, we're going to talk about your competency on running a project. That means your project management skill, which is aligned with Agile methodology together. You're going to understand how I can actually apply Agile to run my project better, right? And the next fourth one, we're going to be improving in your strategic thinking as well as decision making, right? So it's very much going to be a data-based driven decision making that you'll be enhancing your skill set into it, right? And next, we're talking about efficiency and effectiveness improvement. How do you actually see our improvements from the efficiency perspective as well as a effective perspective? For each of these area, what kind of tools I use, what kind of skill I use for actually achieving that particular objective. The next one, we're going to talk about customer-centric focused. Okay, right? Today, we are talking about customer experience as a core area for pulling our customer, enhancing our revenue, right? Because our competitor is increasing and we are getting new competitors in the market continuously, right? Customer-centric become a crucial area for many organizations, right? You're also going to talk about stakeholder management by enhancing your skill set. How do I actually bring cross-functional people in a collaboration to achieve the objective, right? That's another important skill that many organizations are looking at it, because a lot of our processes are running in a silo manner where we need a skill that people bring everybody together to order to see the impact to our customer, right? Change management expertise to understand what are the components actually impacting our outcome, right? How do I focus on those particular areas? What kind of tools and techniques I should use to enhance the acceptance of our people when we have a change taking place. The next, we're going to talk about resource optimization, right? A resource here is, we are not only looking at our capacity, but we are looking at budget, we are looking at system, we are looking at all the tools that you are using in the organization to order to drive your operation. How do we optimize those resources? It's become very important. And you're also going to go out of this particular program by understanding from global perspective, what are things happening around the world that impacting our business, impacting our processes. That's another wider mindset that you're going to be seeing it, all right? And the next one I want to also highlight into it, recognition and career enhancement, right? To answer your question, what is for me by doing this program, this is the most crucial part where your career enhancements, right? We are talking about dollar and cent here. How can I increase that in my pocket, right? And finally, you also be certified the achievement, and the certification is globally recognized. This is some of the things that I feel will be walking out from the program completion, right, as an outcome.